Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Mitson Learning's YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a review of a fantastic course that will take your Java skills to the next level. If you're struggling with database connections and data persistence, this course is for you. Course objectives. This course is designed to help you master the essentials of Spring and Hibernate, 2 powerful Java frameworks. By the end of the course, you'll be able to build robust, secure, and efficient Java applications that can connect to databases and manage data effectively. Targeted audience. This course is perfect for Java developers who want to streamline their database interactions and take advantage of the power of object relational mapping. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find valuable insights and practical examples in this course. Course content. This course covers everything you need to know about Spring and Hibernate, from foundational concepts to advanced features. Here's a brief overview of the topics covered: an introduction to Spring and Hibernate, including their architecture and key features, setting up Spring and Hibernate in your project, defining entities and mapping them to databases using Hibernate's annotation-based configuration, understanding the Spring data access integration layer and how to use it to interact with databases, implementing database transactions, and handling exceptions, optimizing performance and scaling applications using Spring's caching mechanisms. Securing your Spring Hibernate applications by implementing authentication and authorization. Required readings. To get the most out of this course, it's recommended that you have a basic understanding of Java programming and experience with Java development tools. Additionally, you may find it helpful to refer to the official documentation and resources provided by Spring and Hibernate for further clarification on specific topics. Overall impressions. This course is a must-have for any Java developer looking to master Spring and Hibernate. The instructor's teaching style is engaging and easy to follow, and the examples provided are clear and practical. The course covers a wide range of topics, from basic configuration to advanced topics like caching and security. The only area for improvement I would suggest is adding more hands-on exercises for students to practice what they've learned. However, overall, this course provides an excellent foundation for building modern Java applications with Spring and Hibernate. Conclusion. If you're ready to take your Java skills to the next level and streamline your database interactions, enroll in the Spring Hibernate tutorial course on Udemy today. With the knowledge and skills you'll gain, you'll be well on your way to building robust and efficient Java applications. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Java courses and tutorials. Stay tuned for more updates, and happy coding! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.